and welcome back to my channel. I'm Holly and I'm here with an unboxing of a brand new box, and the box is called Mermaid Tears. And this box came to me all the way from Canada. This box is a monthly crafting package containing mystique treasures from the sea. I know some of you may or may not know, but I am a crafter. I have a crafting room and I do arts and crafts all the time. I don't generally do them on my channel very often because I don't know, I've done a few craft videos, arts and crafts videos, and they don't really get a lot of views. I don't have a lot of requests for arts and craft videos. I did the mirrors behind me here. I made those. I made them with my hands. I do stuff like that all the time. I don't film stuff like that because I don't know, people don't really show an interest in those type of videos, so I don't do those on my channel. I don't know, I just don't film it. So anyway, back to the box. Mermaid Tears is not only the perfect, let me start that sentence over because it confused me. Mermaid Tears is not only the perfect for crafters, and that is just how the sentence goes, but also for mermaid enthusiasts and sea glass collectors. Every month you will receive a package containing fun facts about mermaids or sea glass. You will also receive the supplies that you need to make a sea-inspired craft, along with a few small sea-themed goodies. Supplies needed to create sea glass or mermaid-inspired projects: 50 to 100 grams extra sea glass, 15 to 25 grams added beach finds, shells, moon rocks, or clay, and a savory treat and a small surprise. That is what you will get in this box. And this box is 25 or 22.50, and that's Canadian. So you'll have to do the conversion. I want to say I'm not going to speak on the conversion rate because I don't want to confuse you or me. So you will have to figure that out because I have no idea. I'm not going to pretend I know what I'm even going to try and tell you how much that is. Anyway, with the Mermaid Tier subscription, they've found a way to share the magical treasures that wash up on shore with others. Please order your box to the 1st of the month to ensure it is shipped on the 15th of the month. And it does, like I said, I live in upstate New York, and they shipped it to me from Canada, so I do know that they do ship to the United States. And this box does renew automatically, so you do have to cancel it. If you do not want to receive it anymore, you have to cancel it yourself. It does not stop by itself. You have to cancel it. This is how the box came to me, and I did open the box because I did receive it about a week ago. My life is kind of like a little crazy right now, so I did send the curator of this box an email letting them know what is going on right now, and I wanted to make sure that there wasn't the treat that was in here wasn't going to, you know, perish, and so I had to open the box to make sure that that did not happen. And we are going to open this box now. I did take the squigglies out so that we didn't make a mess when I opened the box up. So let's see. Like I said, I removed the squigglies so we didn't make a mess, but this is what it looks like when you pop open the box. And we have a little note here. There's our little note. And it says this month's craft is a picture frame. It is a perfect place to start adding your colors. Keep in mind as you set it up that you'll receive more colors in each box you receive. The link for your craft is, and then you go there and it says happy crafting, Bronwyn Strembisky. And then there's that. And then this is that's the card that fell out, so. And then there is the thing there. We're gonna rip that open. Oh, wow. Now, see, when they said sea glass was in here, now I figured that there was like pieces of actual glass, but it looks, oh yes, there is. Oh, and there's seashells in here too. You got something. There's like actual seashells in here. That is so cool. So first I see there are, oh my goodness, look at that. There's like sand. And then there's just like little, oh, that is so cool. So that looks like that is paint. Is that paint? I think, maybe. I hope it's not sand and I knock it all. Oh, nope, it's paint. Okay. That is paint, and it is yellow and blue paint. And that looks like it's going to be to paint our picture frame. So, all right, so there's our, it looks like sand. All right, so that is a stencil, and yellow, looks like sand. I think it's sand, and then our yellow and blue paint, and then there is a couple of glue sticks, and then we have some little gems. I'm going to take the glue sticks right out of the bag so that we can see the other stuff in there. And it looks to be, there's a starfish in there, and I can't really tell what that piece is. Looks like a fish, and that looks like a fish too. That looks, nope, it's a shell and another shell. Oh, these are really cute. And the little turtle. See the little turtle right there? That is so cool. And starfish and just little shells, all kinds of stuff that you would find in the sea. And there's so much stuff in here. Oh, a shark's tooth. There's another little bag of stuff. And let's see here. There's a shark's, looks like a shark's tooth, right? Doesn't it look like a shark's tooth? Kind of reminds me of a shark's tooth. And trying to, oh my goodness. Oh, oh, I lost it. Oh no, I lost it. Come back here. Don't go. Oh, there it is. It's a piece of sea glass. Okay, I found it. I'm gonna put it back in the bag. I don't want to lose it. I don't want to lose it. Okay, I'm gonna stick that right back in the bag because I don't want to lose it. I'm not going to take that out of the bag because I don't want to lose all these. There's little pieces in here and I just don't want to lose them. So I'm gonna try it this way. We're gonna try it this way. Let's see if we can show you this way. Okay, so there's a whole bunch of, this is the sea glass. And it is all the little treasures that you would find on like the seashore. And they go and they collect all of these at the seashore. And they send them to you so that you can make a treasure. And I'm going to show you what they sent me that I can decorate. And then they sent me a snack. So while I'm doing my arts and craft project, I can have a snack. And, oh my goodness, they even sent a glue gun. They thought of everything. They send you all the supplies and the glue gun. Wow. That's awesome. Paintbrush for my paint. Aww. And a mermaid tail. That's so cute. It's got the little clasp on it so you can hook it. That is so pretty. It's just a little mermaid tail. And then I think this is a, oh, isn't that cute? I think this is a mermaid pen. Doo doo doo. It is. It is a pen. It's a pen. Isn't that just so cute? I have all kinds of novelty pens. That is so cute. It is just, oh, that's so cute. I just love that. And a Sharpie. They thought of everything in this box. And then this is my project part. Oh my. What a beautiful frame. That's the frame that we're going to decorate. I just love that. I have the perfect picture to put in this too. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I just love it. So, if you haven't guessed, we're going to be doing an arts and crafts video. The second half will be me doing the arts and crafts part, but I am going to speed up that part of the video so that you don't have to sit and watch me like doing an arts and crafts video for hours on end, because it probably will take me some bit of time to do the arts and crafts part of this video. So it will be me like super fast going, but the end result is going to be amazing. I know it's going to be an amazing video. So I will see you in a little bit. It'll be hours for me, but it'll be nanoseconds for you. See you in a bit. Well, that was actually quite fun. I really enjoyed doing that. It allowed you to be creative and create your own design, your own thing, yours. It was yours. There was no instructions, no set way on how to do it, and I like that. So I'm gonna show you how I did mine, and yours probably won't turn out like mine, but that's okay. It's your design. So I stuck my little mermaid tail down there in the corner, and I put my little sticker things in there, and there's my little starfish and my seashells, and I just think this is the cutest, super cute little thing. I didn't paint my frame. I like the fact that it is a white frame. The sand is white, so that's why I left the frame white. I don't know, it made sense in my brain, so I don't know, it just made sense in my brain. I'm thinking I might paint on the inside blue for the water. I don't know. I still may work on it a little bit. I don't know. But for now, I love the simplicity of it and the white background with the seashells and all that. I think it's beautiful, and I absolutely adore this box. I think it's an amazing box. So if you'd like to get your own Mermaid Tears box, I'll leave the link below and all the other info so that you can head on over to Cratejoy and get yourself one of these boxes. I think it's an amazing box. So if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right over there, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to share this video, and don't forget how much I appreciate you guys, each and every one of you. And don't forget to leave a comment below to let the curator of this wonderful, wonderful little box, let them know how much this box is like so different. I just love this box. This is so cute. All right, guys, I'm out of here. I gotta go find a picture for this frame. All right, I'll see you in my next video real soon. Bye now.